What does an American sound like? Can you speak like an American? What if I told you there were 20 distinct accents throughout the United States? Even Americans don't realize how different we are from one another. I'll show you what I mean. Come and listen to some of my American colleagues speak American. So Dan, what state are you from?
I'm from Maryland.
So tell me about Maryland. Is there something that's said in Maryland that we wouldn't hear elsewhere in the country?
You are allowed to call anybody hun. Hun is like short for honey. It's a term of endearment. It's a weird pronunciation. It's hoin. It's not hun. How you doing, hoin? What do you want, hoin?
So I'm from North Carolina. When you want to say something not really nice about something, you always first start off by saying, bless their heart, they're not very smart.
Well, bless your heart.
Alabama is known for Southern hospitality. NASA's Marshall Space Flight Center is in Huntsville.
So you say Huntsville, not Huntsville.
Oh, right.
If you're a real Montanan, you'll often say that the area along the side of the road is called the borrow pit, where they take the dirt to build the road from.
Really? I've never heard that before.
Yeah.
The borrow pit?
Yep, it's a true Montananism.
Ohio is the Buckeye state. So the Buckeye is a kind of tree that grows in Ohio, and the nuts that fall from the tree are called Buckeyes. And we also have a candy from the state, which is little chocolate and peanut butter balls that look like that nut.
Wow, and you're also the birthplace of aviation, right?
That's right.
Well, Tennessee's probably most known for music. We're the home of bluegrass music, the home of country music, and the home of blues music.
Okay.
Each coming from one of the three different regions of our state.
I'm not sure. You probably wouldn't hear the word snow.
Right, ever, right?
Ever. A sunshine state, that's
Yeah.
what they call us. And we have the #1 lightning capital of the world as well. Lightning
Wow,
strike.
I didn't know that. And good orange juice, too.
And great orange juice.
I guess the way we talk, the speed
Yeah.
that we talk.
Yeah.
We say yous and you guys, and a lot
Okay.
of different kind of slang.
Yeah, well, I mean, certainly, we hear the New York accent in the movies and TV show.
Quarter.
Quarter.
Okay.
So I would say water, but my family are from New York. They might say water.
Absolutely water.
Here comes the New York accent. That's quarter.
Quarter? Okay. All right, here's another one.
Water.
Water?
Water.
Not water.
No, water.
And how do you pronounce this?
Crayon.
Yeah, crayons.
No, crayons. Crayons?
Crayons.
Mine, crowns.
That's a crayon.
Crayon.
Okay, see, you're enunciating it more in New York. Crayon.
Crayons?
Crayons.
Or what? How do you guys lose syllables? Like you lose whole pieces of words.
Again, warm and inviting.
Water fountain.
That's a water fountain.
That's water. Water.
No, I think it's a drinking fountain, actually.
Oh, water fountain.
Yeah, fountain.
A fountain, just a fountain.
Yeah.
Okay. You know, in Wisconsin, it's called a bubbler.
I did not know that.
And what do you call these on the highway?
Semi.
Transfer truck.
What is it?
Transfer truck.
Transfer truck.
A truck?
An 18-wheeler.
What?
An 18-wheeler, because that's 18 wheels.
That's a semi-truck.
That's a tractor trailer.
Wait, where's the tractor?
That's a semi.
Yeah, big rig.
Big rig, semi. We've heard so many words for these trucks. I assume you have these.
Firefly.
Firefly. Oh my gosh, look at that. Unity.
We have a lot of lightning bugs in Ohio.
Yeah, lightning bugs.
Not fireflies. Okay, but what do you call this?
Oh, definitely pop.
Pop?
Yep.
I would say Coke.
A Coke. All these are
Or
Cokes?
sodas.
All right.
Those are Cokes.
All of them?
Yes.
Those are sodas.
Sodas, okay.
All of these are Coca-Cola.
All of them?
Coke. All of these are Coke. Would you like a Coke? Would you like a Coke? Would you like a Coke? Would you like a Coke?
Those are sodas.
In California too, they're sodas. Yeah. Yeah.
But, so coming from the South, the reason why we say Coke, and having once lived in Atlanta, you know this, Coca-Cola comes from the South, comes from Atlanta. And so in the South, everything that was a soda was from Coca-Cola, or should be from Coca-Cola.
So as you can see, America is a melting pot of cultures and traditions, and that even includes how we use English. You can read more about these amusing differences in one of my favorite books, Speaking American, on display here at the American Space in Almaty Towers. I hope y'all had as much fun watching this as we had filming it, and that you learned something new about American culture. Happy 4th of July.